Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where you can only get effective and current online updates. Today we will be discussing with you the top 5 best blenders to use in 2021. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to this channel and kindly hit the bell button so that you can be notified when we release a new video. Thanks. Number 5 is Ninja Professional Plus Blender. Full-size blender. The Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ is the best budget blender that we've tested. This well-built full-size option comes with a 72-ounce main jar suitable for making large batches of your favorite foods. It has a fairly versatile overall performance. It's outstanding for crushing ice, as it makes a snow-like blend in less than a minute using its Ice Crush preset. Its Smoothie preset makes a fair smoothie, but the texture is a bit foamy and grainy as leafy ingredients like kale aren't fully incorporated into the mix. That said, it's very easy to clean by hand, and you can even wash its main jar and blades in your dishwasher. Number 4 is Bamix Mono M133 Immersion Blender. The best immersion blender that we've tested is the Bamix Mono M133. This handheld option is a very good choice for making soups, as it's capable of blending hot ingredients. Overall, it has an amazing build quality, and it comes with 2 different speed settings to help you get the best possible blend. It has a decently versatile overall performance that makes it a suitable addition to your kitchen tools. It's good for crushing ice, too, as it makes bar-quality ice in a few minutes, which is suitable for making frozen drinks on a hot day. When you're finished blending, cleanup is easy, and soapy water can remove most stuck-on debris. Number 3 is Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo Personal Blender. The best personal blender that we've tested is the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo. It's well built and comes with 2 24-ounce jars with matching to-go lids, so you can easily take your drink with you to work or the gym. There's also a 14-ounce Power Nutri bowl, included with rotating arms inside of it that work to push food towards the blades. It has a few different modes that act as timers, and you can also set it to blend continuously. You can use any of the jars to make an outstanding, silky smoothie in less than a minute. It can also crush ice into a snow-like consistency and make smooth, spreadable almond butter. When you're done using it, it's easy to clean by hand, and you can also put the jars, lids, and blades in your dishwasher. Number 2 is Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. If you're looking for a full-size blender that also comes with personal jars, you may want the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 instead. It comes with some extra jars and attachments. In addition to the 72-ounce main jar, there are 2 16-ounce personal jars with matching to-go lids. There's also a 64-ounce food processor bowl that you can use with the included chopping blade or dough blade, although we don't currently test it. You can use the personal jars to make incredible smoothies and the main jar to make great almond butter and snow like crushed ice. Number 1 is Vitamix A 2500 Full-Size Blender. The Vitamix A 2500 is the best full-size blender that we've tested. This exceptionally well-built blender comes with a main jar that has a large, 64-ounce capacity. It has a 10-speed dial and is even Bluetooth compatible, so it works with a companion app that offers additional preset modes, like spice grind and baby food. It works very well for a variety of uses, as it makes snow like crushed ice, incredible almond butter, and great smoothies. You can also use it to blend hot ingredients into soups and sauces. The two-part lid allows you to use the tamper or add ingredients without stopping the blender. When you're done using it, it's very easy to clean since most messes are easily rinsed away with soap and water. There's also a self-cleaning cycle. They are really amazing, so we have come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we are sure you would like to watch more related videos from our channel. So don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to this channel and kindly hit the bell button so that you can be notified when we release a new video. Thanks.